comes with the charging cable. They can operate separately or together. They are sweat and waterproof, and they are very light. Let's check it out. Let's unwrap it first. And let's check the box. Okay, here's the device. It's a very nice presentation. Let's leave the device aside for now and check everything. All the cables, the extra sizes and the wings, the user manual. It's in English. And a carrying bag. There's a button to open it. Here's the left one. Here's the right one. And we need to remove this to charge. There's a very beautiful box. Strong, compact, and reliable. There's a place for you to place a chain here. Very good. Let's check the earbuds now. Let's remove this plastic. And from this one as well. Apparently there's some touch controls here. Let's change the size. It's very easy to do. I think my size is the medium one. Let's do it for the right one. Okay, we're done. To charge it's pretty simple. We just need to place it right here. As you can see, it's magnetic, so it just places itself and it doesn't fall. Then we close the box. Here is a light indicator of how much battery is left in the box, and we can charge with a USB cable. Okay, so let's check it out to my ears. I'm gonna try the left unit first. Okay, it's in place. Let's check the grip of it. Yeah, it won't fall so easily. Let's try the right one. Same goes for this one. And they are very lightweight. The ears aren't gonna fatigue so easily. Okay, to synchronize it and to turn it on is very simple. All you have to do is to hold for 6 seconds to turn it on. And then we gotta keep holding on to synchronize. Now it's waiting for the cell phone to parry. Here we can find the touch tool. We just click on both of them, and it's successful. It's connected already. Let's check the sound. Whoa. Whoa, it's very strong. I'm gonna give you guys a closer look so you can feel the sound. As you guys can see, the sound is very loud and clear, and it's being captured by the camera and microphone. It's a very good quality for the small buddies. Okay, it's waterproof, so let's check how it works against water. Oh yeah, it's still working. Okay guys, see you again in the next one.